Welcome back. Today we're cooking angel hair pasta. It's a garlic herb angel hair pasta. It's really fast. You can cook it in 15 minutes. And I'm actually going to attempt to do that because Malibu has to go to dance class. We just came back from Elvis's dance class. There's not much time. So if you have to make a quick lunch, something that the kids will like, something that's simple, this is finally a vegetarian dish. And if you don't use Parmesan, it's even vegan. So let's get cooking. For this dish, we will need some garlic, tomatoes. It's going to be very simple, some Parmesan cheese, and we'll be ready to go. For this dish, you need 5 to 6 garlic cloves. I have really big 4 garlic cloves, so I'm going to go with just 4 today. But if you have a smaller size, 5 to 6. The garlic needs to be thinly sliced. The garlic is kind of like part of the dish. We want to see like beautiful slices of garlic. Luckily I have my new knife that can give us like really thin slices. Since they're so big, I feel like these slices should be halved, because if you're gonna get a slice in your bite, those are gonna be too big. So both me and Trisha, we love angel hair pasta, and the one we usually get is capellini, which I think it's pretty much this recipe. The tomatoes and the garlic is the main flavor. And it's always seemed like too simple of a recipe, but at times like this where you're in a rush, you want to make something quick and tasty, this is the perfect recipe. I also think angel hair pasta is a very kid-friendly pasta, and it cooks in literally 2 minutes. So sometimes, you know, the kids are hungry and waiting for the water to boil, and then another 10 to 12 minutes for the pasta to cook. It's just a lot of time. So what I do is I boil a pot of water, a kettle. I put some water in the pot, put it on a high heat, and then add the boiling water in just to make it faster. Okay, we got our garlic. That's a lot of garlic. It looks beautiful. Next, we're cutting our tomatoes to half. For this recipe, you need like a pint of tomatoes, but pretty much, you know, one small basket was enough to what we need. It's around 2 cups. You can cut them to half, again, make the process a bit faster. And you can use cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. I personally love grape tomatoes, they're just so sweet. I'm boiling the water now. And even though the water is already boiling, I'm not putting the pasta yet because it will cook too fast. So once I feel like the sauce is ready, then I'll drop it in, and it's exactly 2 minutes. So the tomatoes alone take like around 4 minutes to cook. So I'll probably put it towards the end when I feel like the tomatoes are ready. We got 1 pint of tomatoes ready. Like I said, the recipe is so easy, so quick. Just a couple of ingredients. Let's go and start cooking. I'm gonna add some olive oil. It's around 1/4 cup. Basically, I'm coating the pan really nicely. We can always add more oil later. Right now on a medium-low heat. So we want to stay on medium-low heat because our garlic is the first thing we're putting in. We're going to cook the garlic for 1 to 2 minutes. Until the garlic is fragrant and we start to see it turning golden. We're not going to let it brown too much or it will turn bitter. This is also the time to add some chili flakes if you want to make it a bit hot. I'm going to add just a tiny bit because our kids will eat some of this too. So I'm adding just a little bit. As you can see, we're medium-low, but it already starts to bubble. So the heat is enough to get our garlic moving. If you are adding tomatoes, we're going to add them now. We're going to let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes. And we want them to soften. And if they're whole, some of them will burst. But we already diced them to half. This seems to be the perfect amount of tomatoes for this pot that we're using. It's the garlic and tomatoes. The tomatoes are starting to soften. They smell good. I'm gonna give them another minute. This is all on medium-low heat. So a lot of times that is the problem, is that we're cooking things on too high of a heat. Today I'm using this angel hair pasta. It looked really nice. I just like the way that they're clustered in here. So now that the tomatoes are almost ready, I pumped up the heat to high heat for the water to bring it back to a boil. And we're gonna throw in our angel hair pasta for 2 minutes. That's another important tip. You know, we talked about the water needs to taste like ocean water. Some people add the salt before the water boils. So remember to add the salt when the water is already boiling. I'm adding a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, so our pasta is ready. And now we're going to start moving our noodles. I'm moving them directly into here. So we do want some of the pasta water. And now we're going to start tossing our pasta with the sauce. If you drained your pasta, then add some reserved pasta water to the mix. I moved it straight in so it's not dry right now. But when it does get dry, we're just going to start adding some more pasta water. And have a little taste to see if I need to add more salt and pepper. Wow, it's really good. It's already really good. We're going to add some Parmesan cheese. And again, reserve pasta water, because if you mix it now and it gets a little dry, you will need to add some of that water. We're going to add a little bit more black pepper. At this point you can add some lemon if you want to brighten the flavor. And this is it, your dish is ready. If you want, we are not big fans of basil in our house, but if you want, you can add some basil in here. At this point you take it off the heat. You can throw some basil leaves in there, parsley for garnish, and of course just whatever amount of salt and pepper to taste that you want. But pretty much the dish is ready. It tastes amazing. The garlic and the tomato just create a beautiful sauce for this.
What's Moses cooking tonight? He is making a capellini, which is one of my favorites at a local restaurant, and we haven't been there in so long because his pastas are so good. I'm so excited to try it. It was like a light tomato sauce bake with some green
Garlic, herb, tomato.
Oh, I want garlic herb.
Angel hair pasta.
Angel hair pasta for your angel of a wife.
Or a queen.
I'll take the queen bone. Oh my gosh, this looks just like the one at the restaurant. I'm so excited to try it. Let's try it. Wow, I'm excited. Wow. Perfect. Oh my gosh.
It's like light and
Light.
fresh.
Summery.
Yeah.
He just made this on his channel, and it's Moses and the sauces. This is the kind of sauce I like, because even at the place we get this at, oh, I love the garlic too. I'm tasting garlic. It's never, it's too saucy sometimes. It's like drowned in sauce. This is like.
And then there's like a little soup of sauce in the plate.
Yeah, and I'm just like, no, I need this. The angel hair too. We never have angel hair. It's so good. 10 time. Check out my husband's cooking channel, Chef Moses. Perfect summer dish. No notes. This is perfection. So good. Like, how do you top this? I made pasta in a couple weeks, so this is like tasty. Okay, so good. All right, hi Moses' cooking channel. Oh my gosh, this is so good.
And it's like, this is the fastest dish you can make. Like if you have no time
Oh my god.
and
Yeah, you made it.
and small budget, This is the pasta.
Really? So what's the ingredients? What do they get? They get the pasta.
Garlic and tomatoes.
Oh,
Is
so
it?
easy.
Mm-hmm.
No, Moses made this fresh. So he does a cooking video, and it like takes some time because he has to set up all the things and everything like that. So he does like the cooking video, and it smells so good. But I had to go take Malibu to ballet, and he's like, I was trying to get it done, but obviously, with kids and stuff like that, they're always, you always got to take them to do something or something. So it just took longer. And so I was like, that's fine. We'll just like warm it up when we get back. So then I'm at ballet. In walks Moses. He's like, yeah, I'm just gonna get some ingredients next door. I'm like, for what? I'm just gonna make it fresh. And I was like, what do you mean make it fresh? If you just spend an hour making it, like I'll just eat the warmed up or not even warmed up. And literally, he stayed and watched Malibu, got the groceries, like beat us back home, and it took like 10 minutes since I walked in the door.
Because Angel, her pasta cooks in like 2 to 3 minutes. So usually a pasta will take 11 to 12, 13 minutes. It cooks so fast that you don't even put it in until the sauce is ready.
I don't know.
And because it wasn't a video, it's kind of a proof of concept. If you're in a rush, this is the one to make.
Oh my god, that's so good. You guys know, if it's pasta, I'm gonna get down. I love everything you make, but oh my gosh, your pasta sauces are
And if you're vegetarian, this is it.
Mm-hmm.
You can add a little bit of Parmesan if you're not vegan, but if you're vegan, you don't even need the Parmesan. Because basically it's
Did you put
oil.
Parmesan in this or no?
Tiny bit, just a little bit.
I love it though. Oh, we haven't had pasta in like a while. I'm just like, because we were talking about this, like I would always want pasta. I mean, I have pasta 3-4 times a week, and maybe eating out 4 times a week. So between you cooking it or eating it out, I have it 4 times a week, and I still like love it. I do love like your chicken dishes and your steaks and stuff like that, but there's just something so comforting about some pasta,
And angel hair feels good.
Mm-hmm,
It's like a really good feeling, and I love angel hair.
It feels lighter. We're about to go film Not Love Line now, so it's like the perfect thing. Because I feel like sometimes when we do Not Love Line, we were like fast food and stuff like that. And it's like, I do love fast food. I still love fast food, like Arby's all the way, and I eat like McDonald's. But when you have this, it's just like, nothing really compares to home cooking. But this is delicious. And we have a great weekend of food. Actually, we had a great week. I was thinking about that. A great week of food. I mean, we had a great week. We had a great week of food. And I just like love when I just eat things that are like good. I don't know. I'm so much happier when you like eat the food that you love, And we have a good weekend planned of eating, so I'm very excited.
Food for the soul and
Truly.
heart. We are celebrating a big one tomorrow because those steaks we splurge because we're celebrating.
I want to know. I know Moses is very excited about these steaks, which I get excited about steaks, but when you get excited about steaks, I'm like, wow, it must be good ones.
It's basically the same steaks we usually have. This one is the Wagyu version of that. And they look, I don't know how they make them look like that, but they just look so pretty. And we did splurge, so it's a celebration.
We have so much to celebrate. What are we celebrating tomorrow?
This week, AGT.
Oh, okay. Which is like we went out for a steak dinner, so then I was like, oh, we're good. 2 celebrations?
Well, this one tops that one, so. This is the real celebration.
Yeah. No, I love Capitol Grill. I think it's so good. Like, it really is so good. But like, truly nothing compares to like your steaks and the quality and the way you cook them. It's like so good. So yeah, we have 2 celebrations. I do think they gave us Prosecco yesterday, and I really do feel like they gave us that for AGT. I'm in my heart believe it because I know what you're saying. There was like a wine thing, but they gave us Prosecco or Martinelli's as a choice. And we've got no Martinelli's. It's just like sparkling cider if you don't drink, which we love Martinelli's. But I was like, you know what? I feel like this is a celebration. Let's have some Prosecco, even though sometimes I get really red. Sometimes I get allergic to it, but I was not allergic to it last night. And so let's just have it. Let's just celebrate it. And it was so good. But I really do think I feel like they did. I don't know. I also wear flip-flops, and I don't know if you're supposed to wear flip-flops, like the long ones in between your toes. And we were so nervous. I had a big Louis Vuitton bag, and I was like, should we cover my feet or whatever? And literally the hostess turns around, like, oh, I love your capris, like clearly seeing my thong flip-flops. But I think they let it slide. In my head, I think they knew we maybe came back from AGT. I don't know. It was only within like 20 minutes. Maybe they didn't know. So. But then they brought us Prosecco, and I felt really special. So shout out Capitol Grill for not turning us away. Because in my mind, I was like, am I going to do a TikTok about my favorite restaurant turning me away? Which makes sense. But it wasn't in the dress code. So I was like, I think we're good. Anyways, all that to say, this is a celebration meal too, because this is so good. It tastes just like the one down the street that we like. We got a marathon video. We were taking both the girls' classes, Pilates.
That's why I was saying that this dish is, today it's basically... It's like a proof of concept of like if you have a quick lunch, you want to make a quick lunch or dinner, or like we got back from one class, going to the next class, you have 10 to 15 minutes to make lunch or dinner, and this is it.
Yeah, you did
I mean, that'd be amazing if.
Yeah, because you really did make it so quickly. It was like amazing. It's so good. And usually you film on Wednesdays, it's a Thursday, and you have to get it edited before you put it up on a Friday. So quick also for you to make. Oh.
Sony.
Now the Sony
The
knows.
kids love enjoy their
Lemon juice?
lemon juice.
Yeah.
Oh, where is it?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Okay, let's go get it.
I want to go there.
And I did pack 2 boxes of this for your sister.
So nice she has so much left over. Can't let her forget it. Well, she's probably looking for that painting the project she to get in, but I have to get ready. This was amazing. I love that you haven't missed a day. Oh my god, we were so busy this week, and he's like, I need to do a cooking video, so.
I'm committed to this channel.
Well,
The bill for, and again, this is like the dishes we make are real. This is what we make, so it's like a fast one.
I was gonna say this is the only case that the meta glasses would be in your favor because Moses does cook like 3 meals like a day, and it's like he could be doing 3 videos a day if it was easier to film. But obviously setting up everything and editing it takes a while. But he cooks so much, so the fact that you film 1 meal a week is pretty impressive.
Yeah, I like it. It's fun.
You're so good at it.
Well, we got one more meal to add to the rotation.
Oh, I love this one. Yeah, this is
Do
great.
like a quick one if we run out of time.
I love a quick one.
Thanks for watching. Let us know what's next for you.
Yeah, do you have any idea what the next one's gonna be? I don't even know. I'm running out of ideas.
Oh man, I mean, I don't know. I really want to make a lasagna. I really want to make pizza. I really want to make.
I would love to do the lasagna with you, like the Good Housekeeping style, like Whitney and Connor did. I'll just be there with like my pink dress and full glam and be like making the ricotta. I think it's so cute.
Yep.
I'm good at making ricotta. All right.
Thanks. Bye.
Rethinking me or them.
Yeah,
I should thank you. This
for
was
coming,
amazing.
stopping
Thank
by.
you. Thanks for the French dinner. Oh my god, I would have just ate the one you ate earlier. Oh, is that the to-go one?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
that's
packed
nice.
it
My sister will
immediately
like
and
it.
started from scratch.
Amazing. Bye.